supporting Installation Management Battalion Marching Band under the baton of 2nd Lieutenant Romeo Felix and San Victorious Jr., Infantry, Philippine Army, the commanding officer of the band company. They are composed of 1 officer and 30 enlisted personnel trained as jungle fighters and IMB troopers before being recruited as bandsmen. All are well experienced in a battlefield. Indeed, soldiers fit to be named Jungle Fighter, being part of the 2nd Infantry Division, and 14 troopers as 14 Installation Management Battalion personnel have come to be known.
Ito lang.
Kami pagkatapos kanina, ano po na nakapuntahan namin kanina?
Our band leader salutes you with pride. From here on, the drillers will go through their presentation. A series of drill movements will be performed with accuracy and precision, and as well as uniqueness. The first formation is the letter V. It stands for victory, as the band performs with honor, pride, and service of excellence. The bandsmen in front of us are the latest in the succession of dedicated musicians who made their own contributions to a solid tradition of excellence. Again, the 49B Marching Band, as they perform with their prowess to inspire all of you, our esteemed guests and loved ones. Notice as they form the letters H and I. Hi! As the band welcome everyone here today at the home of the Jungle Fighter, 2nd Infantry Division, Philippine Army, Camp General Mateo Camcampin, Tanay Rizal. From now, we will be witnessing the line formation of the 49B Marching Band, as they will show us a domino effect that signifies the optimistic interconnected behavior of the military bands as they play with their instruments.
Rich.
Kami maligo pagkatapos.
Shifting formation into the symbol 2I and B, meaning 2nd Infantry Division, based at Camp Kapinpin, Barangay Sampaloc, Tanay Rizal. It was named after Brigadier General Mateo M. Kapinpin, the intrepid soldier who rose from the rank during World War II. On 19 of March 1976, the brigade was upgraded and reorganized into a full infantry division of the Philippine Army, with a mission to conduct focus on military operations while sustaining support to the regional task force to end long communist and conflict. Decisively defeated Southern Regional Tagalog Party Committee in Region 4A and 4B that will create a safe and sound environment both physically and psychologically conjunctive for development and commerce under the good leadership of Major General Huberto Escapulong, Philippine Army. Ladies and gentlemen, our bandsmen dancing with the tune of Nosi Balasi by Sampaguita and trending TikTok favorites.
Mga sakit ko pa kasi eh.
With this, we bid everyone goodbye as the band from the letters T and Y. Thank you, our dearest audience. This is your Philippine Army, world-class, multi-mission ready, cross-domain capable. We hope you have enjoyed the presentation. Sa inyo pong lahat, maraming salamat. Umaasa kami na makasama kayo sa susunod naming pagtatanghal.
Gusto ko yung kilala ko yung mga lahat.
as 49B Marching Band Coach. Music matters. Heals everything for the most part of sorrowful in the profession of arms. That's the end of the presentation of the 49B Marching Band. Good day and mabuhay tayong lahat.
Happy Fiesta!